Make it in a glass with just 4 ingredients. It melts in your mouth. In a container, start by adding 400 grams of cream and then 395 grams of condensed milk. Add 5 tablespoons of powdered milk and mix everything well. After mixing, put it aside. Here I'm using a box of clean strawberries. Gonna poke them on a popsicle stick. Just fill almost all the stick. Do the same with the rest of the stick, and now let's put it in a glass. You can also use a plastic cup, but this is more practical. Now just add all the mixture we made at the start. All done, and to hold our popsicle stick, let's add cling film so it stays in the right place. Just freeze and wait until it hardens. And look how great this nest pop with strawberry turns out. Really fast, easy, and tasty. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Perfect for this heat, and it's irresistible with that flavor inside. Hope you liked it. That's another recipe from me in the kitchen. Big hug till next time, and thanks.